In today's video, I'm going to teach you add images inside a lesson. If you're building a course in Thinkific and want your content to feel more engaging, adding images is a simple way to break up text, illustrate examples, and guide your learners' attention. I'll walk you through the exact process, along with a few helpful tips to make your images look great on the page. Start by heading into your Thinkific admin dashboard. From there, go to Products, then Courses, and open the specific course you're working on. Inside the course, you'll land in the curriculum area where all of your lessons are organized. If you want to place an image in a brand new lesson, click Add Lesson and choose Text. If you already have a text lesson where the image should go, open that lesson instead. In the text lesson editor, look for the toolbar at the top of the editing area and click the Insert Image button. This is your gateway to bringing visuals into your lesson. When the upload window appears, either select an image from your computer or simply drag and drop the file into place. Common formats like JPG and PNG work well. As a general tip, choose images that are clear and not overly large in file size, so your lesson loads quickly for learners on any device. Once your image appears in the editor, you can fine-tune how it looks right on the page. Hover over the image and drag the corners to resize it proportionally. This helps you keep it balanced with your surrounding text and avoids stretched or squished visuals. If you want the image to point learners to an external resource or a relevant page, click the image and add a link. This is a great way to provide additional context, credit sources, or connect a screenshot to a live example. Take a moment to review how the image sits within your content. Placing it near the paragraph it supports makes your lesson easier to follow. If you're using multiple images, keep their sizes consistent for a clean, professional look. And remember, less can be more. One strong visual can often do the job better than several smaller ones. When you're happy with everything, make sure to save your lesson. Saving locks in your changes so your new image appears for your learners exactly as you intended. That's it. Your lesson now includes an image that enhances understanding and keeps your audience engaged.